And if we want the help of Allah, Allah ki madad chahiye, the key for that is in sabr, is in patience. Nothing will come to us if we are impatient. Even if we want that we should have great closeness with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but if we are impatient about it, it will not come. We need to have sabr. Sabr, inshallah, I'll talk about this in detail if Allah allows me. But just sabr is of three types, right? One, sabr is in staying away from mercy. We are tempted to do wrong. Our hearts wants to do wrong. Our body wants to do wrong. The desires are burning. The lust is flowing. You want to do wrong. You hold yourself back from that doing wrong. That is sabr. The second sabr is in doing the right, in enduring the hardship that comes, enduring the right. रात को लेट सोए, सुबह नमाज के लिए उठना मुश्किल है. But if you get up, you endure that tough routine of getting up, regardless of how late you have slept. That's sabr. सर्दी का मौसम, I went to Pakistan अभी recently, it was extremely cold. फिर वाकई यहाँ तो बड़ा कम्फर्ट है, अभी जाके बाहर भी हाथ धो लिया. ठंड में जाके ठंडे पानी में हाथ धोना लग समझ में आता है. You do that, that's sabr. अल्लाह की राह में मुश्किलों को बर्दाश्त करना, नेकी करने के लिए, that is sabr as well. And third form of sabr is that being patient on loss of wealth, loss of loved one, loss of reputation, on the calamities. These are three forms of sabr. So sabr is also, in one of the talks recently, I explained in Allah ma'as sabirin, the concept of that.